In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp form in just 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing tasks, gathering project details, or collecting feedback, creating a form in ClickUp can streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to ClickUp's website. You can do this by typing the URL directly or simply doing a quick search for ClickUp. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice several options for exploring the platform. For now, locate the login button and click on it. This will prompt you for your account credentials. Enter your login information to gain access to your workspace. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickUp homepage. This is your central hub for navigating the platform. In ClickUp, everything is organized around workspaces, so start by entering your designated workspace. You can do so by clicking on the workspace name that you belong to, usually displayed at the top of the screen. In this workspace, you'll see various spaces where different aspects of your project or team activities are organized. The next step is to enter the specific space where you want to create your form. Click on the space name on your sidebar, which should help you enter into a more detailed view of that space. This area is where you can manage tasks, documents, and forms specific to that project or team. Now it's time to add a new form in this space. Look for the plus icon, which is typically located at the top or side of your list of existing tasks and documents within the space. This icon will allow you to add new items. Upon clicking this icon, a drop-down menu should appear, revealing different options of items you can add, including tasks, docs, and forms. Select the form option from this menu. Now ClickUp will guide you through the intuitive form creation process. Here you can name your form, add different types of fields like text fields, multiple choice options, or dates depending on what information you need to collect. Be mindful of the structure and layout to ensure the form is user-friendly and easy to navigate for whoever needs to complete it. Once your fields are set up to your liking, you can save the form within your space. This will now be accessible to you and your team for collecting and managing responses. Creating forms in ClickUp is really that simple and efficient. By centralizing the way you gather information, you enhance communication and productivity across your organization. With these steps, you now have the basics to start integrating forms into your project management workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on maximizing your use of ClickUp.